A toothache is pain in or around a tooth that may be caused by a number of dental problems. What do you normally do when you're experiencing a toothache? You might want some painkiller for temporary relief or visit a dental clinic near you. However, on my side, I never take painkillers for toothache. My kitchen is also a dental clinic, packed with full natural and perfect remedies for toothache. Your kitchen is the nearest dental clinic you can use to relieve the toothache. Fast treatment is right in your kitchen. Yes, and you are the dentist. Get some warm water and measure 30 milliliters, that equals 3 tablespoons. Make sure the water is clean and safe. This means use a drinking water. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Alternatively, you can make a fresh ginger paste and add same amount. From your kitchen, get a table vinegar and add 2 tablespoons. You can use apple cider vinegar or any other vinegar that is meant to be used on a table. Stir to mix. You can add a little amount of table salt to make the remedy stronger. From our experience, this remedy works fast, and in some people's it has worked as permanent solution. This means the pain never come back after they use this remedy. After mixing, you can drain the tiny particles. However, draining is not important. Well, now how to use it. Gargle using this mixture and hold it in your mouth for 45 to 60 seconds. Make sure it gets around the aching tooth, and then spit out. Repeat after 3 minutes. Your tooth will stop aching in few minutes. If this doesn't work for you, don't worry. There are lots of remedies from your kitchen you can try to discover what works perfect for you. To learn more about teeth care, subscribe our channel and turn on the notifications. Hitting the like button in this video is a support to us and we really appreciate that. Thank you for watching.